Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking the angle, decide what problem the product solves, then commit to that story. Once chosen, set your phone to 4K/60 or 1080/60 and pick vertical framing for reels. Make sure to use a tripod so movement is smooth. Position one key light at about 45 degrees and a softer fill on the opposite side. This avoids harsh shadows. Record a 3 10-second hook first, because you'll use that to grab attention and drive the rest of the edit. Once you have the hook, shoot the sequence. Wide establishing, medium usage, and close-ups for tactile detail. This gives you edit options. Make 15-30-second demo clips showing actual use, 5-10-second cutaways of hands or branding for transitions, and 3 short reaction takes for authenticity. Record ambient room audio even if you plan a voiceover, because it helps seamless edits. As you shoot, say short voice notes describing seconds to use later. This saves time and keeps your messaging tight. You edit by placing the hook in the first 3 seconds and trimming to a 15-30-second final. Once done, pace your cuts to the music's BPM so rhythm feels natural, and add captions for accessibility. Include 3 overlays, price, 1 key benefit, and a clear CTA. If you hit problems like audio drift, relink external audio to the clip and align via waveform. If sync still fails, replace with a quick voiceover. Finally, export as 9/16H, 264 for crisp reels.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.